Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to edit skin with the LSP Maternity Vogue Action Collection. As you can see, this lady's skin, she's absolutely beautiful. Let me stand back. This image is from the one and only Anna Brand. Stunning mama. But if you come in close, you can see that pregnancy isn't always so kind to a woman's skin. The pores become a little enlarged, the skin is a little bit oily, it can be dry in places. This is temporary, it will go after pregnancy. She's going to want to look back on these photos and she's not going to want to see any temporary kind of spots, acne and pores caused by pregnancy. So how long would it normally take you to clean this skin up? I'm going to show you how long it takes. Clean it up using here the LSP Maternity Vogue collection for Photoshop. I'm just going to scroll down to the purple area, the airbrushes, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to sort the skin out. I'm recording, right now, recording this video. I'm going to bring my recorder in on the screen here, which hopefully it will show. If it doesn't, I apologise. So we see the timer here. I'm going to play this action, remove blemishes. Let's go on 120, ready, go. So the action is playing out. Oh, I missed a couple of seconds there. The action is just playing out now. It's played. I'm going to simply come here and paint over the skin using the remove blemishes action. You can see all little blemishes are disappearing whilst keeping the skin tone's integrity here. I'm going to switch to a black brush, come down and just bring in any areas that I feel are perhaps a little overdone. Done. So that was, what, 28 seconds to edit the skin. A little bit there, I'm going to take off. 28 seconds. And the same goes for the rest of the body. Anywhere else you wish to kind of smooth down without losing the integrity of the skin too much, anywhere else where there's a little bit of acne, pores, you know, skin texture looking a little rough. Not that this lady has rough skin texture, of course, but you know what I mean. Okay, so simply coming around here, taking off anywhere it doesn't need to be. And that is really smoothing down the skin, leaving behind the lovely glow. So that was a 28-second skin edit. I'm going to zoom in nice and close here. Boom. That's using the LSP Maternity Vogue collection for Photoshop.